Runway! It's a lot brighter out here. Hey, look, it's a sprinkler. Oh my gosh, it's a building. Ah, blinding lights. Now's the moon. There's a moon. Moon. Stupid light. Runway. Ah. Sammy, slow down. Okay, good. Stopped. Wait, where'd the moon go? The moon. That's awesome on camera. Hey. Bush. Oh. Water meter. Yeah, turn the screen sideways for me, that didn't you? Like that. Where is it? It's too hard with that zoomed in. Zoomed out a bit. Okay. So you decided to turn your monitor upside down, didn't you? Ha 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 ha. Sammy, it's your fault. Hey, what does this say? For sale number. Blah, blah, blah. Don't care. Car. Tree. Okay. Sammy, we're running in 3, 2, 1, go! It's a road work ahead sign. I can't really take a look at the camera even. Whatever. Don't stop for only pee. Without even telling me. Let's run. Okay. It's a fire hydrant, but it's a normal color red. No one cares about red fire hydrants. Not as much as a blue one. Blue ones are much cooler. And whoa. Oh, here. What the? Here's something right there. I am so cool. Smiley face. Ah! Probably there's no way of reading that. But whatever. Light bulb. Dumpster. Tree. That. Mine's slowing down a bit. Okay. Now I slow down. Light post. I can see it. Fire. Another red fire hydrant. Now Sammy, slow down. Sammy, you're way too unpredictable. Come on, Sammy. Let's go this way. This way. That. Bit happily sniffing there. And by the way, for anyone who's still watching this, good job. Because I find it kind of surprising that you're watching all the way to the end. The end is soon. But whatever. By the way, sorry if the video quality is not good. It's in the middle of the night. It's 21:57. It's all the time. Hopefully, probably able. Let's go hoop. And also, with this dog, I can't really control where I'm going. Playground. Come on, Sammy. This is awesome. Watch. Come on, Sammy. Sammy, up here. Look, 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 look. Go for it, Sammy. Look. See? He loves slides. He used to forget slides until I go down a slide in that neighboring apartment complex way across the street that way. And then after I got him to go down that, he's loved slides ever since. Hey look, my neighbor's home. I'm probably just randomly zooming in, zooming out. Hey look, Nerf gun. See if you can see it. Nope. Just a random Nerf gun. Probably one of the neighbors. I always leave stuff out. There's another one. Whatever. If I did in the middle of the day, people would stare at me weird for talking to myself, not realizing I had a camera. Or, hey look, a fire hydrant. Except it's not blue. The blue one's way down there. But this one is, oh, can you see it? Can you see it? No, you can't see it. So, okay, it's fire hydrant, but it's half red, half green. And it's awesome. Almost as awesome as the blue one way down there. Well, look, there's a newspaper. Better go pick that up. Pick that newspaper up. Okay. Here's the door. Now, goodbye and good day.